I have this gas cap light lit up once in a blue moon. I just stopped the car this morning. The temperature is still cold. FedEx is coming in today with that. I ordered some stuff, some used stuff from eBay. It's a canister, charcoal canister with all the filters and pressure switch and whatnot. So I'm gonna swap it out today. I get the gas cap indicator comes on every now and then, usually when I drive maybe 20 miles and then kind of slow down. It'll pop back up and then it'll go back off. So let's see, once I receive this package today, I'm going to install it and update. Gas cap indicator just came on, like I said before, driving about, I don't know, 25-30 mile. Highway speed's fine. And then just come on. So anyway, I have already do the smoke test, and it seems like it's coming out from the release tube, which is come out from the frame. Used canister filter arrived today from eBay. Minimal rust. This is where my thing is leaking from. This hose coming out to the frames. So yeah, this is just a filter. I think this is a pressure switch. I'm going to install on it today. Let's see how it goes. And then I have to put the jack over there just for, you know, safety reason. So next step is just take out the skid shield. The skid plates over here. It's kind of broke off on this one. Is so I thought I put a zip tie in here just to hold it. Basically, it's pretty easy. I think it's a 10 millimeter here, and then it's two clips. One clip here, one clip here, and then another clip right there. And so to look at the old one, I just ordered from eBay, just like 2-3 bolts or something. It should come out. From my previous leak smoke test, it was leaking from this hose, which comes up here and go into this frame. It's just for relief, to air out the system, I guess. And it's leaking from there. It should be closed. So from the look of it, pretty simple, I guess. Just a couple of hoses, and then I think I'm going to drop down the whole entire thing. So there's like one screw there, and then one here, and two here, another one. So the whole unit should come off. So 1, 2, and 3. And then this line, move off this line. So hope it's simple. Looks simple. All right, let's get to work. So the canister is out of the car. This is the old one. This is the one from eBay. The difference: California, out of state. You see all this rust? Probably gonna swap it over. Other than that, just the bracket, I think. So my bracket is still good. Hopefully, I'm gonna cut this damn thing out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test this valve. From my old car, from the one from my car, and I think this valve is messed up. I don't know. Though the first time testing it, so just hook up. Basically, doesn't matter which. Just look at 2 wires in this unit. Just the valve, the vent valve right here. So I'm using a 9-volt battery, negative and positive. Let's see how this is going to work. So I just clip it in there. Let me see where it is. Yeah. Oh, maybe it's not. Maybe this one is negative. So you can hear it actually very faintly. You hear that? So it does work, but kind of faintly. So let's see how this other one from eBay. Get my flashlight, make sure they're not I gotta put my glasses on. Same thing. You can actually hear the click. If I press on it. So the canister is replaced with the eBay version one. I think it's the valve on it is messed up. The gas cap indicator went away, and hopefully I'm just betting on this canister from eBay is good. And right now, I see this thing. Just looking at the live data. Hopefully you can see it. That's the reading right now, so I forgot to record the reading before. This damn glare. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's just this glare. That's the pressure reading currently. I hope it's good, so we'll update.